Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel Botany by Sandhya and Varshni. Today our topic is nutraceutical value of Moringa oleifera. First of all, most people are not aware of the health benefits and nutritional value of Moringa. People may think that only the pod of Moringa, that is drumstick and leaves, have nutritional value. But recent studies about Moringa reveal that even the roots and the stems of Moringa have nutritional value. After this extensive research on Moringa, several entrepreneurs came up with many value added products. Moringa is now largely exported to foreign countries as the people there are aware of its health benefits. So in the next slide, let us see about the nutritional value of Moringa. This Moringa has anti-cancerous property. Then antioxidant and liver protection. Antioxidants are compounds that act against the free radicals in your body. High levels of free radicals may cause oxidative stress. This oxidative stress may further lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. So several antioxidant plant compounds have been found in Moringa oleifera which act against the antioxidants and free radicals. It acts as a neuroprotection, that is, it protects the nerve cells of the brain and improves concentration. Anti-inflammation. Inflammation is a naturally occurring process in our body in case of any infection, but frequent inflammation may lead to chronic diseases like cancer. So this Moringa oleifera acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. It induces cell cycle arrest and apoptosis. Apoptosis is nothing but cell death. It prevents cell death, regulate enzyme activity and modulate blood glucose level. So consuming of moringa in daily basis will have several health benefits as seen in this slide. So that is consumption of moringa should be encouraged on daily basis for good health benefits. Traditional uses of moringa: it acts as an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. This moringa stimulates the hair growth in your body. It enhances the skin health. It acts as an anti-cholesterol agent. That is, the obesity patients can take moringa on regular basis to control the cholesterol level. It increases the energy and endurance, improves the vision, normalizes the blood pressure level in your body. It reduces anti-depression. That is, this moringa acts as an anti-depressing agent. This is a surprising factor, but it is also a proven fact that consumption of moringa in daily basis reduces the depression in depression patients. It strengthens the immune system. It is used as an aphrodisiac and it promotes the lipido level also. It acts as an antifungal agent, reduces the wrinkles and age lines in your skin. It acts as an anti-tumor agent. The nutrition for infants, 6 months old infants and older people, pregnant ladies and nursing mothers can definitely have certain amount of moringa on daily basis for iron requirement to your body. It improves digestion, eliminates constipation in your body. It acts as an anti-ulcer agent. Ulcer patients can consume this moringa in regular basis so that the stomach acne and other problems can be avoided. Detoxification in your body. This slide is very surprising for me when I saw this for the first time. See here, this moringa contains 4 times more protein than in eggs, 10 times more vitamin A than in carrots, 17 times more calcium than in milk, 15 times more potassium than in bananas, 5 times more vitamin C in oranges, and 25 times more iron than in spinach. So usually people recommend carrots for vitamin A deficiency. By seeing this, we are really shocked that it contains, this moringa contains 10 times more vitamin A than in carrots. So people should definitely eat moringa for all the health benefits. Some value added products of moringa oleifera. See, you can see here many value added products like moringa organic vegetable powder, moringa energy drink, and then the moringa smoothie, that is hot chocolate. It may be available in many flavors like chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor, as an hot chocolate, as a cold drinks also. Moringa energy bar is available. Then in the next slide you can see moringa powder which you can consume in daily basis. So the health benefits of moringa. Thanks for watching. For regular updates, follow our channel and show your love. Thank you. Until then, it's Varshni signing off. Bye.